Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to convert an Excel file into PDF file. Okay, so if you want to convert an Excel file into PDF file, so this video will show you how to do it. Okay, so first I will show you how to do it. So first what you have to do, if you have a Google Chrome or any other browser, just open it and then type here convert Excel to PDF. Okay, then you have to find this one. Okay, I love PDF option website. Click on it and now select Excel file and then go to desktop or wherever your file is. Okay, then find the file which you want to convert. Okay, so I want to convert this one. Click on open, then click on convert to PDF, and now it will be your file will be converted into PDF. Okay, so here you will see this is converted into the PDF. Okay, so like this you can convert any file into PDF, Excel file into PDF. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.